This is going to be a quick unboxing of this QOR360 chair, spelled QOR360, and it's just going to be unboxing. I'm not going to really give my feelings about it yet because I haven't tested out. I'll follow this up with a thorough review after I've used it. And conveniently, we're quarantined because of COVID-19 right now, so I'm going to get to spend some time in my home office testing this out. So this is the QOR360 Ariel chair, and it's in the sport red leather, which is a more expensive model, but it's supposed to hold up over time. Got the piston here, got the base, and got the feet. Their suggestion is to use these feet instead of the wheels. They do offer wheels for $15. But I think the whole point is you want it to be more of a stable, especially at the base, since you're gonna be moving at the top of the chair. So first we're just gonna put the feet on. This is actually, this whole thing is metal, it's not plastic. Then we're gonna lock this piston into place. Or just set it in there. And then we're gonna add the seat. So you got your metal base with the feet instead of the wheels to be more stable at first. You got your lever to go up and down. You got the sports leather seat that's supposed to hold up better over time, no maintenance. And then underneath you can kind of see it, this Redrocker. So the way this active chair works is this Redrocker in the bottom. On one curve, it rocks side to side. And then on the top of the shape, it rocks forward to back. So now I'm gonna put this on the floor and sit on it for the first time. So right now I have this all the way down. It's supposed to have a wider stance with your legs when you sit on this. I like that you can kind of put your hips forward, sit up straight. It doesn't feel like you're gonna fall off it. Doesn't come up very high in the back, just a little bit of lower support. Another thing about this is they say that you're not supposed to sit the traditional 90-degree elbows, 90-degree hips, 90-degree knees, and you're supposed to actually have your knees below your hips, which for me, this is a taller chair, all the way at the bottom. I think this is at 20 inches, and for me, I need it pretty much all the way on the bottom. So I have the taller version of the chair here, and I have it all the way at the bottom. I'm 5'4", and for me, with this standard desk here, I feel like it's a very good height. It could maybe be a tidbit higher. The monitors could be a little bit higher, and I don't have room with this shelf here to raise them up. If you were taller than me, if you were like 6 foot, you probably would need a desk that's higher. Maybe a standing desk, something that's like adjustable. That's why it's gonna be uncomfortable. And you're gonna feel like you're reaching down really far. With this chair, one thing to note is you're not supposed to go from 0 minutes in a day in it to 8 hours. You're supposed to work your way up. This was just an unboxing of this chair. I'm gonna be doing a review of it after I've spent some time sitting in it, which with COVID-19 going on, it means stuck working at home. I'll have plenty of time to sit in it daily.